So in this tutorial I'm going to talk about exporting data, and you can export all of your data from the export button which shows in the top right area of each of the individual screens. So this export button gives you the option for date ranges and the format that you want to download the export in, so whether it's an Excel, a PDF or a CSV file. Both the Excel and the CSV files enable you to sort data, whereas the PDF is a static printout, and that kind of looks pretty, but accountants will usually want to see things in Excel, or if you want to do more complicated things with merges and stuff, you would be looking at a CSV file. So as I say, you select your date range first here for the period that you want to have your information sent. And so once you've selected your dates here, you literally just press the Excel button or whichever format you want, and it's downloaded directly onto your computer, or you'll be able to find it in your Finder area. So as I say, this export function is available for all of your screens, whether you're in clients, services, in your products and sales. When you're in this products and sales area, it will ask you to choose whether you want sales data exported or product information. So make sure you just click on the correct one. This one is related to your income. And again, under the export, they'll ask if you want to have payments related to your appointments or your sales, and then you select your date period and your format. Your business expenses is just quite straightforward. You're just choosing the date range and then your export of your format. And your net income here gives you the ability to give a breakdown, whether you want, so this will give you your overall income, but you might want to have it broken down in week or month or year. So that's the option that you choose here. So if you want to send a year's worth of data and have that exported, you can have a look at the summary per week or per month. Invoices, that can be exported again at the top here for the date range. But we also have an account setting here under this helpful tools export information, and this is quite handy. This is a set and forget feature that we've recently developed to enable you to have any of these sets of information sent directly into your inbox on a regular period. So you choose whether you want it weekly, monthly or annually. If you want to have it annually, you choose which date it is that you want it. So it might be that it's the 1st of January every year. You then choose the format that you want it sent in, so a CSV, Excel or PDF, and then you basically just press the Save Changes, and that will then send you, if you save this setting, it would send you your appointments, your sales income and your business expenses on the 1st of January each year. So I would recommend that you either have it sent to you weekly or monthly, and you have that sent to your inbox, and this is information that you can either just check yourself, or you can send directly onto your accountant if you have somebody that's helping you with your bookkeeping and your accounts. But it just gives you that total peace of mind knowing that that information is regularly sent to your inbox. So you would just press the Save Changes and you'll get a success message to confirm that that has been set up for you.